What is going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going down to the beach to pick up trash with a bunch of my mom's friends, and then we're gonna get donuts. That's gonna be good, right, Mom?
Yay.
Here, hold the camera and vlog.
What's up, my dudes? We're going down to Carolina Beach to go serve date with Life Point women. Woo!
Oh God. Oh Jesus, my mom's the reason I get views. Okay, bye.
Wait a minute, here we go.
Okay, do it again.
What's up, my dudes? We're going down to Carolina Beach. We're gonna do some serve day with Life Point Church and my small group. Woohoo! Go Life Point women! And then we're gonna go to Britt's Donuts in a bag. Woo woo! We'll get back with you later. Check you out, my dudes.
Make sure to comment below if you want me to do this or this. Comment below. This is 1, this is 2. And you know what the deal is. Okay. Check me out later. Alright guys, so we made it to the beach. I'm gonna go GoPro. Have it on my chest like I did yesterday, or yesterday's video. Or 2 days ago video, or I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this. Yeah. Alright, see you on GoPro.
3 days later.
Alright guys. We just got done picking up trash, eating ice cream, as you saw. Now we're gonna go home. They just got married. Alright guys, we made it home, and now I'm going to be cooking some chicken drumstick stuff to eat. Do it right now.
12 seconds later. 12 seconds later.